Hello, foliage fanatics! This is Brother Nature presenting this week's episode of TMPF's Species Smackdown. Today we take our fight down to the waterfront between two similar-looking plants with far different environmental impacts. Let's get down to the ring.
Thank you, Brother Nature. Introducing first, fighting out of the invasive corner, reaching up to 20 feet tall, with stunning white-pink flowers, introduced as an ornamental plant, coming to us all the way from the Mediterranean, tamarisk, salt cedar, ramosissima. Introducing next, fighting out of the native corner, standing up to 22 feet tall, a species vital for ecological diversity and stream bank erosion prevention, ranging all across the American West. Please welcome Salix, Coyote Willow, exigua. Let's get ready to tumble!
Okay, contenders, let's make this a good, clean fight. We're fighting in wetland habitat today, so that means I don't want to see any groundwater withdrawals, I don't want to see any illegal dumping, and I don't want to see any drainage for development. Salt Cedar, are you ready? Coyote Willow, are you ready? All right, let's fight.
Round 1. Salt cedar comes out swinging by quickly developing a deep-reaching taproot and a web of secondary roots. Salt cedar begins to overpopulate the habitat, causing Coyote Willow to be overwhelmed and deprived of essential nutrients. Salt cedar wins round 1. Round 2. Technicians are tagged in and plant Coyote Willow plugs, which root rapidly as they hit the permanent water table. Salt cedar is looking stunned. Coyote Willow wins round 2. Round 3. Fully grown salt cedar trees drop their leaves, which contain incredibly high salt concentrations. The change in soil salinity, which causes a decline of microbial activity, stunts the growth of Coyote Willow and other native plants. Salt cedar wins the fight!
Thanks again for checking out another episode of TMPF's Species Smackdown. For more content, like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram at Truckee Meadows Parks Foundation. For more information on Coyote Willow and Salt Cedar management, check out the links attached.